Do you ever consider how you sit? I was just sitting in a really awkward position. I had to sit on the floor because my internet wasn't working in my office, random. And I was sitting on the floor and it was very uncomfortable. And I was sitting there for about 20 minutes and then I got up and I was like, oh, that didn't feel very good. But I wasn't in a very, I wasn't in a comfortable position. I wasn't like upright, and I wasn't like, I have a stand-up desk, so I'm often standing or sitting properly. I'm always trying to pay attention to my posture and always paying attention to where my back is situated. And I think that that's something to consider, because so many people deal with lower back pain, so many people deal with chronic pain. I don't think our legs, we weren't meant to sit all day. Our legs weren't meant to be bent at 90 degrees. We weren't meant to be hunched over. So I really feel like if we consider the position we're in most of the day, we could fix a lot of issues we're dealing with.